Hey, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you something amazing. Alright, money comes from list, but building them can be tough and expensive. If you are struggling with any of that, we have an easy solution for you. Look at this block. We just created it using our brand new software 7pick. This block targets only customers, help only customers, let's say iPhone customer. It's a content that they need. When they arrive here, they love the info, and this builds trust and relationships. Then the block cleverly asks them whether they want the info delivered to their email inbox to read and use later. Buyers love this gesture, and they'll give their email address to receive the PDF. The system then automatically generates a PDF and delivers it to their email address. But the system doesn't stop there. It also contains your affiliate link to make affiliate sales commission at the same time. You can see the product advertisement here. Here is your affiliate link. Click on it. So this is how you can earn affiliate commission as well. Go back to the dashboard of our application. This is the dashboard of our new software that lets you build a list of buyers in just a matter of seconds. And you can easily focus on what's important for making sales while your list grows on autopilot. And you can get started in seconds. Now let me show you how it works. Log into your account, and from the dashboard just go to the content generator and select the YouTube to post. And from here grab on-seed word from our built-in DFY recharge system to target buyers. You can schedule the post, you can set up the post number, and you just need to run the rules. And these are the posts that I created before, so let me delete them from here. Alright, now let's go to the post section and refresh this page. So you can see that the posts are deleted. Now let me show you how to create new post. Let's say this is my keyword iPhone tips and tricks 2022, and now I just need to click on save settings and select an action from here. Run this rule now. Click on OK, and we're done. We can see that the green check mark is here. Now let's go to the post section and refresh this page. So these are the posts that are generated by the system. So let's visit one of them from here. And this is the page. You can see that this is the post. You can see that here is your affiliate link. Here is the read later button where the visitor can download the post as a PDF file, and it will ask the visitor to enter their name and email, and the visitor will go to your mailing list like this. So this is how you can use this amazing software, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.